Hi, my name is Megan. I'm a team service manager here for Dick Hanna Dealerships. I work in the service department. We are still here, still open to help our community be able to get to work reliably. If you're having any concerns with your vehicles, feel free to give us a call in. We are taking extra precautions to make sure our customers are safe while their cars are in for service. We do have steering wheel covers on the vehicles, and we do have stations for hand sanitizer, and we are wiping down all of our desks and all the doors once every hour. So if you do have any questions or concerns, feel free to stop by and we will do our best to assist you. We are all in this together, and so we don't want anyone to feel alone.
Dick Hanna Service Stars. Nice people at your service.